Welcome to day 25 of our HTML Mastery course. Today we are moving beyond the individual HTML text and learning how professional developer plan the real world website before writing code. And this lesson we will cover planning websites means understanding goals, structure and content. Wireframe, creating the visual blueprint of web page. And the last is preparing for CSS integration, means organizing HTML for professional styling. So proper planning helps developers save time, avoid mistake, and build scalable and maintainable website. Now let's learn about planning websites. So website planning is the process of organizing the purpose, content, structure, and functionalities of a website before development begins. So planning act has a roadmap that help developers understand why the website is being created, who the target audience is, and what content should be included, and how user will navigate the website. So without planning, website often become confusing, difficult to maintain, and efficient. So why website planning matter? Website planning helps save development time, improve organization, create better user experience, reduce features, redesign cost, and build clear project goals. So some important steps and website planning. First step is define the purpose, means determine what the website should accomplish. Example, portfolio website, business website, e-commerce store, or educational website. Next step, plan structure. Organize all page logically. Example, means home is our main page, and then inside and home, about, services, portfolio, contact. The third step is content strategy. Decide what content belong on each page. So let's take the example. In this example, H1 define the project title, goal section explain website for purpose, and audience section identifies the users, and the pages section list website structure, and feature section define the functionality requirements. So this create a clear roadmap before development begin. Now let's learn about wireframes. A wireframe is a simple visual blueprint of a web page that show the placement of elements before designing the final website. So wireframe focus on layout, structure, content placement, navigation flow. So wireframe do not focus on colors, animations, or visual styling. So why wireframe matter? Wireframe helps developer to plan layout before coding, improve communication, save development time, focus on content structure, and easily modify design. So let's take the example. Here is the logo and then the menu, and below this logo and menu, here is the that is the header section, and this is the hero section, and below this is the cards, and here is the footer. So let's take the example. Header contains logo and navigation menu, and the hero section display the main content area, and the feature section show the services or website features, and a footer contain copyright information, link, and contact details. So this structure become the blueprint for the final website design. Now let's learn about preparing for CSS integration. So preparing HTML for CSS integration means writing clean, organized, and semantic HTML that can easily be styled using CSS. So professional developers separate structure. For structure, use HTML. For designing, use CSS. And for functionality, use JavaScript. So this separation creates the maintainable and scalable project. So some best practice. Step 1. Use semantic HTML, means use meaningful text like header, nav, main, section, footer. So some benefit: better SEO, better accessibility, and easier CSS styling. Step 2. Use clear class names. Example, hero section, main nav, service card, footer link, and avoid box 1, D2, test 1, 2, 3. These names avoid. Don't use these. And step 3. Organize files properly, means project structure like the project main folder, root folder, then index.html, then CSS folder, JS folder, and images folder. And step 4. Use external style sheet. Example, like link and the real, and then define this is the style sheet, and then inside a href specify the path where the style.css file is located. So some benefit for clear HTML, cleaner HTML, reusable CSS, and easier to maintenance. So let's take the example. Here is the semantic tag is header, main, section, and footer. So these create the meaningful page structure. And in some class names, site header, main nav, hero, btn primary. So these provide hooks for CSS styling. External CSS. This line is keep design separate from HTML. So organize structure, the HTML remain clean, readable, and ready for professional CSS styling. So in a coming course, we will begin transforming our plain HTML structure into fully styled website using CSS.